Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here again, back with the Dutty Money Riddim. Yep, there with the Dutty Money Riddim. Kraff up on the Dutty Money Riddim with Nursery rhymes. So we're gonna jump in the one on here with the GSA. So let's get it.
I miss a boom, Panny Magic School Bus. Run and run, Panny Magic School Bus. Boom, Panny Magic School Bus.
Be a girl enter.
Run, Panny Magic School Bus.
Jugglers, let's go.
Mama quint up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. Bad your body, better girl, don't try. Mama.
Yo. Because man, I go spoil up it good pitney them we got good school nursery rhymes now. Look how man I go slack it out here now.
I know run boom flip on your head, don't slide. Bad your body, better girl, don't try. Mama quint up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run boom flip on your head, don't slide. If a girl want try, tell a girl come die. Mama bumper, I go run and run, run and run.
Hold on. Take it like a second.
Get wild and I now run boom flip on your head, don't slide.
Is a pram mama push and I go as on? Young baby in a pram mama. You're bad.
Side, skin out, get wild and I now run boom flip on your head, don't slide. If a girl want try, tell a girl come die. Mama bumper, I go run and run.
Run and run.
Run and run, mama bumper, I go run and run. All through that town.
You see it? The man mess up he good pit in them good nursery rhyme. Pick up yourself, G.
La girl come die, mama bumper, I go run and run.
Yeah.
Run and run.
Yeah. Run and run, mama bumper, I go run and run.
All through that town. And Mary had a little man.
Me Mary have a little man. So, and a little lamb again. A little man Mary have. Mary!
And Mary had a little man. Mary had a little man. She did him like a clown.
Bumper clap on the wedding day. Boss just push it. Mary had a little man. She did him like a clown.
Mary had a little man.
I really nursery rhyme this.
Did him like a clown. Mama quint up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. Bad your body, better girl, don't try. Mama quint up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. If a girl want try, tell a girl come die. Mama bumper, I go run and run. Run and run. Run and run, mama bumper, I go run and run. All through that town. Knocking on your pum wall. Tell a waste man, say him can't get chance. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Mama come in my room, and me fly away Jazz. Me say,
obviously, the original nursery rhyme say, fly away Peter, fly away Paul, come back Peter, come back Paul. The man say, oh, fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Mama come in my room. In there, you come.
Knocking on your pum wall. Tell a waste man, say him can't get chance. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Mama come in my room, and me fly away Jazz. Me say, come.
Come in my room and me fly away Jazz. Move, go ahead, Jazz boss one side, gone down the side. Nursery rhymes.
Knocking on your pum wall. Tell a waste man, say him can't get chance. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Mama come in my room, and me fly away Jazz. Me say, come dash. I me say, come dash. I me say, come. Mama quint up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. Bad your body, better girl, don't try. Mama quint up your pussy on the left hand side.
Skin out, mad out,
get wild all night. Now run.
Easy to catch, just like a nursery rhyme. It's easy to catch. Like, at the first I listen to it and me catch it.
Boom, flip on your head, don't slide. If a girl want try, tell a girl come die. Mama bumper, I go run and run. Run and run. Run and run. Mama bumper, I go run and run. All through that town. Mama bumper, I go run and run. Run and run. Mama bumper.
Me see the party bus at Chuck Fest already. I see me see the party bus I pull up at Chuck Fest already. I see him party bus, right?
I go run and run. Run and run.
Yeah, man, I see a
Round
bus, man.
and round.
How we are go?
Wicked. Dutty, man, Riddim, wicked Russian, big up a bumbuck lad, say, for authorizing G them on it. Yeah, no. As I say, it is what it is. It's nursery rhyme. Let me know what you guys think about this though. And so far, which artists take the rhythm phone so far? There's a few artists where we're not here yet, right? Chronic not drop yet. Cartel not drop yet. Who else not drop yet? Let me know in the comment section which artists you're looking forward to see, or maybe you're not looking to see anymore on it. Like it's done for you guys. Let me know who I reach. Let me know who I lead so far on the rhythm. Let me know what you guys think. Also, do you guys think other producers should do the same thing and revamp some of them rhythm and bring them back in a dancehall? What do you guys think? Or do you guys think it's just lazy? I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section. Yeah? Anyway, this I'm gonna leave the one still. This is a short one. This I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoyed the one and want some more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.